So let's be on that side. Get over here so you can look over my shoulder, because this is kind of funky.
You ain't lying. Smells like roses.
So for dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, the landmarks are the same. Fibular head. Okay. Now, the axis can be in two different spots, therefore making the movable arm in two different spots. The preferred method is to find the fibular head and place the axis over the lateral malleolus. And then what you do is you run the movable arm parallel to the fifth metatarsal. So, fortunately, a lot of times these big goniometers, the foot will push it up and be just right. Right? This is the preferred way. Okay? I want to say 20 degrees is AAOS norms, and I'm getting 10 degrees. What I think you'll find out is everybody is lacking in dorsiflexion. We need to stretch our gastroc and soleus group more. So I'm reading 10 degrees. This is one where your 0 is 90. Right? See why that's 10 degrees? Or actually, that's 5.
That's 6 is what I see.
6 degrees, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I assume I didn't move it. Right? So 90 is your 0. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to count from either line. I always count from the top line. You can count from the bottom line. But whatever it moves over, however many degrees it moves over, that's how you document it. DF, 0 to 6 degrees. Okay? PF, 0 to, I think 30 degrees is normal. Now what you got to be careful on plantar flexion is that you don't get a lot of midfoot movement. Okay? If you do that, what you're doing is you're moving the midfoot. We're interested in what the talus and the tib fib are doing. So, again, I'm going to assume I'm lined up there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go there. Make sure I'm relined up. Make sure this is parallel. And I'm going to read 10, 20, 5, 26.
Mm-hmm.
So you're reading the black?
Actually,
26.
no, I'm not 26.
No?
No, because I'm reading from the 90.
Oh.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 54.
Oh, yeah, from down here.
Because it started at 90.
Or up here. Well, could you read it this way?
What did you say the standard was, Bill?
I want to say it's 35 or 30. All right, so there's 90, so that's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40.
Here you go.
10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 47.
Yep. You
You
start
can
from
just
there.
read the red.
Yeah.
That's 47, 0 to 47. Right, the other way you can do it, which is not the way that is shown in the book, but I've seen people do it, is you run your proximal arm up to the fibular head. You run your distal arm parallel or right on the base, or right on the fifth metatarsal. And I got 5 degrees that time. So, one time the axis is here, and you're running parallel with the fifth metatarsal. or you can bring the axis down and run over the fifth metatarsal. Okay. I want to say your book teaches you to run the parallel method from the lateral malleolus. All right. So that's two things. Inversion and eversion. Actually, I want to teach you 10 things. Inversion and eversion.
60 on plantar flexion, 20 on dorsiflexion.
How much on plantar?
50.